स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. By no means it is suggested that whenever such charge of rape is made where the victim is a child, it has to be treated as a gospel truth and the accused person has to be convicted full stop. We have already discussed above the manner in which testimony of the prosecutrix is to be examined and analyzed in order to find out the truth therein and to ensure that deposition of the victim is trustworthy full stop. At the same time, after taking all due precautions which are necessary when it is found that the prosecution version is worth believing, the case is to be dealt with all sensitivity that is needed in such cases full stop. In such a situation, one has to take stock of the realities of life as well full stop. Various studies shows that in more than 80% cases of such abuses, perpetrators have acquaintance with the victims who are not strangers full stop. The danger is more within than outside full stop. Most of the time acquaintance rapes when the culprit is a family member are not even reported for various reasons not difficult to fathom full stop. The strongest among those is the fear of attracting social stigma full stop. Another deterring factor which many times prevent such victims or their families to lodge a complaint is that they find whole process of criminal justice system extremely intimidating, coupled with absence of victim protection mechanism full stop. Therefore, time is ripe to bring about significant reforms in the criminal justice system as well full stop. Equally, there is also a dire need to have a survivor-centric approach towards victims of sexual violence, particularly the children, keeping in view the traumatic, long-lasting effects on such victims full stop. Para. After thorough analysis of all relevant and attendant factors, we are of the opinion that none of the grounds on which the High Court has cleared the respondent has any merit full stop. By now it is well settled that the testimony of a victim is cases of sexual offences is vital, and unless there are compelling reasons which necessitate looking for corroboration of a statement, the courts should find no difficulty to act on the testimony of the victim of a sexual assault alone to convict the accused full stop. No doubt her testimony has to inspire confidence full stop. Seeking corroboration to a statement before relying upon the same as a rule in such cases would literally amount to adding insult to injury full stop. The deposition of the prosecutrix has thus to be taken as a whole full stop. Needless to reiterate that the victim of rape is not an accomplice and her evidence can be acted upon without corroboration full stop. She stands at a higher pedestal than an injured witness does full stop. If the court finds it difficult to accept her version, it may seek corroboration from some evidence which lends assurance to her version full stop. To insist on corroboration except in the rarest of rare cases is to equate one who is a victim of the lust of another with an accomplice to a crime and thereby insult womanhood full stop. Para. it would be adding insult to injury to tell a woman that her claim of rape will not be believed unless it is corroborated in material particulars, as in the case of an accomplice to a crime, full stop. Why should the evidence of the girl or the woman who complains of rape or sexual molestation be viewed with the aid of spectacles fitted with lenses tinged with doubt, disbelief or suspicion, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट के लिए हो गया है डिक्टेशन। इसे लीजिएगा और बताइएगा कैसा लगा, और मिस्टेक्स शेयर कीजिएगा। मिस्टेक्स नहीं पता चल रही हैं यानी कमेंट पे बताइएगा, और डिक्टेशन कैसा लगा ये भी बताइएगा। चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, और कुछ सही गलत हो तो उसे बताइएगा, उसे सुधारेंगे, ठीक है। इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह नहीं आया हुआ है, और अगर कुछ आता है तो हम बताते हैं, लेकिन इसमें नहीं आया है, इसलिए चलते हैं, मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।